This is HONOR Magic4 Lite, and today we will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first, you need to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Next, you need to launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you need to launch the Opera application itself. In here, tap on this blue continue button, then choose whether some of the options it has to offer will be enabled from the start. I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, this page allows you to customize every permission, access, or cookies, or whatever that you're going to grant to Opera, or allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.